Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, yo, it's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, we're all putting you in a bad situation where you say, oh no,
快嚟
or 貪你. Those are two different ways of saying that. Now, let's say you don't have enough money. 真的會糟了, okay? You've spent all your money for the month. 透支
四勾方
四勾方 Okay, that means I've spent every dime of my savings. I'm overspending already. Okay.
四勾方
四勾方 Then you have to start borrowing money. 要開始借錢了。先從旁邊的朋友，像 Alice 啦，可以來借一下啦。
10塊
How do you say borrow?
加
加要加多少錢？加盡量加，就是你在給我的時候就加再加。It sounds like add, but it means borrow, huh? 加就是借哦。
那海陆腔借的話叫甲
乙
丙啊，不是真的，它就是甲
Okay, that's a different dialect of saying.
所以很好記哦。
加
跟
甲 So there you go, two different dialects of saying borrow. Okay, 可以借到雙倍的錢了，現在對不對？
慢慢等。
再來呢，就是很多人都是到了月底了，要盯一下，
對，
等着什麼？領薪水。All right, to receive your salary, to get your salary, how do you say that?
領薪水。
領就是領嗎？
對。
Okay, that means to receive.
薪水。
薪水 is salary. Let's make a sentence out of one of these phrases. And 我一直真的要跟你借錢，所以我要問你 Alice, 你可以借我一點錢嗎？ Can you lend me some money, Alice?
做的。
做的就是你可以嗎？
加丟錢。
加就是要借了哈，加丟錢 OK， 加一點錢給我，借一點錢給我。
本愛嘛。
本愛嘛就是分給我。
給我嗎？做的。
哎呀，怎麼這麼狠啊？
好啦，做的啦。
全部講一次。
做的加丟錢本愛嘛。
做的加丟錢本愛嘛。Okay, that means can you lend me some money?
加你10塊，幫俺20塊。
什麼意思？
借你10元，還我20。
你要收我利息就對了。OK， 現在才聽出來。好啦，我們不要鬧了，我們來 review 這些 term。OK， 透支 spending all the money。四勾方 and to borrow 借加 and getting your salary 領薪水。領薪水 and hopefully 領到薪水就不用再說糟了。快雷 or 慘雷。All right, there you go. It's all about practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.